Hi, my name is New Fan. I'm the teacher librarian and coordinator of the exit interviews at Santa Ana High School. Today I'm going to show you how to log in and access student portfolios. In your email that I sent you, I gave you a list of 6 students that you will be interviewing Thursday and Friday. Now, of those 6, today we're going to look up their portfolios to see what work they have put in and take notes so we can bring those notes to the interview and ask any questions that pertain to the portfolio. In your email, I also sent notes. These are the written handout notes. So if the video goes too fast, you can always refer back to these notes. These notes also have the accounts and passwords and the steps I'm going to go over today. So we're going to first begin by either going to Chrome or Firefox and entering google.com. So once you're on the screen like I am, you're going to go to the top right-hand corner where it says sign in the blue box. Go ahead and click on sign in. Now in here, there's 2 different ways to sign in. If you are a district employee or a staff member at Santa Ana High School, you're going to use your Outlook as your username. By that I mean mine is new.fan@sausd.us. So in this box where it says email, I will enter new.fan@sausd.us. And then enter my password. If this is your first time signing in, you're going to use the generic password of SAUSD123. Again, it's SAUSD123. From there, it's going to prompt you to change your password. Now, if you are a guest and not associated with the district, I have created guest accounts. There are 6 accounts total. The first 3 are Sally Saint 1 at sausd.us, Sally Saint 2 at sausd.us, Sally Saint 3 at sausd.us. The next 3 are Sammy Saint 1 at sausd.us, Sammy Saint 2 at sausd.us, Sammy Saint 3 at sausd.us. And all of these accounts have a generic password, and this is the generic password. A Saint 123, A Saint 123. So let's go ahead and sign in. Here I enter new.fan@sausd.us. Please do not forget the @sausd.us. Then I enter my password. Once you have signed in, it will lead you to another Google page. If you look on the top right hand corner, there's the grid. The grid are those 9 boxes on top of each other. I click on that, and now I'm going to choose sites. We're choosing sites because the portfolios that the students created are in essence websites. So I went up to the grid right here, and then I click on sites. It only takes a few seconds to load. Now, if your loaded screen does not look like mine, do not worry. These students already shared their portfolios with me, so it's going to show up. Now, for us to search, we're going to go to the search box where it says search my sites. Now, the issue with this one is when we're searching sites, it says my sites. We want to search all sites. So to change that, we're going to go up to this arrow right here, right next to the magnifying glass. I click on that arrow and I choose search all sites. Now it says search all sites. Now I'm going to enter the student's name. Remember, I gave you a list of 6 students that you will be interviewing Thursday and Friday. You could enter the student's first name, last name, and ID number. So I have a Don Correa 326604. Then I search. Now, in this blue bar will be the student's link, so we make sure it's the correct person, Don Correa 326664. I click on that. Now, this is the student. You will see the student's profile picture. You will also see their account right here, Don Correa 326604. On the left right here is the navigation bar. With that, that will help us go and navigate throughout their portfolio and see what things they've added. So for me, I will go in the first one, Section 1, Career. I'll go to cover letter. The cover letter explains what's inside their portfolio. So I click on cover letter. Once it's open, you can start reading it. But if this is a small text and you're very uncomfortable with reading it, so I will go up to the zoom box right here and pick a size that I'm comfortable with. Once I'm done reading, I go back to the back button. Now I'm going to go further down to show you another screen. I go to section 3, and then I click on world history. Now, as you notice, this screen looks different because the students scan their documents using CAM Scanner or through the library. Now, if this is, again, too small for you to read, just go back up till you see the toolbar and click on the magnifying glass and zoom in to a space you are comfortable with. Once you're done, hit the back button. Please take any notes, or if some links do not open, please write that down so the students know on the day of the interview so they can open it to us so we can view it. Take notes with you so you can discuss with the students anything about their portfolio or any of things of interest that you found in their portfolio. Once you're done with one student, continue and clicking on the back button until you get back to the search bar. Now you're on your search bar, you delete this student and enter the next student. This is our first time being online, so this is our pilot group. And I appreciate that you are spending the extra time needed to preview the portfolio ahead of time. And I hope to see you at the exit interviews with a big smile. If you have any questions, please email me at newfan@sausd.us. Again, it's new.fan@sausd.us. Thank you.